You want to give your BMW 4 Series a more individual look? Then the M Performance parts are just right for you. A number of carbon fiber elements emphasize the modern yet sporty style of the 4 Series. The carbon fiber lets the kidney beam even more. The M Performance front splitter also comes in carbon fiber. The arrow flicks in black high gloss add a more aggressive look. Visually striking are the decorative side decals in frozen black underscoring the sporty design. The side skirt attachments as well as the mirror caps in carbon fiber are perfectly tailored to the design. And to complete the look, the air curtain is brimming in carbon as well. You know what? You can even give your fuel filler cap a design boost in carbon fiber, easily attachable with a double-sided adhesive tape on the inside. Our model here shows off with impressive 20-inch M Performance forged wheel Y-spoke 795M in jet black. Particularly effective is the 18-inch brake system in red. Let's shortly jump to the passenger side. There we have even another stunning M Performance light alloy wheel, 19-inch Y-spoke 898M in frozen gunmetal gray. Also really cool is the fixed hubcap, which creates a focal point on the wheel. Now the typical BMW logo with the blue and white propeller no longer turns with the wheel whilst the vehicle is in motion, but it rather remains stationary. I like that. One important thing to mention, if you like the carbon fiber package, but you didn't order it ex-factory, no problem. You can easily add the M rear spoiler and the M rear diffuser in carbon fiber with the M Performance parts afterwards. Another clear statement is the M model badge M440i in black high gloss. And not to miss, the M Performance tailpipe finisher, also in black high gloss. Only for the US and Canada available is the stainless steel axle back exhaust that was developed especially for the new 6-cylinder inline engine and impresses with a deep throaty, sporty, and rich sound. The unmistakable design continues in the interior. With open pore, matte sealed carbon, and the exclusive M Performance branding, which gives the interior a palpable sporty look. Furthermore, Alcantara provides motorsport feeling with the new knee pads on the center console. Racing feeling at its best is guaranteed with the M Performance steering wheel, with carbon fiber shift paddles matching perfectly with the carbon fiber Alcantara cover. The door sill plate also comes in carbon fiber, featuring the M Performance lettering. A really bold feature are the logos for the LED door projectors. 3 different images are available. As you can see, with the M Performance parts, you have many options to personalize your BMW 4 Series and make it the boldest on the street.